George Horan. Barri, dim trosedd, Barri yn dal I fynd, mae Barri yn gryf, mae Insol yn y canol! Jamie Insol yn cyrraedd y bêl gynta, ond yn methu gwiro hi ar y targed. Cyfle da i'r tîm cartre. Rwan mi fydd Cei Connah yn awyddus I gyfyd mantais o'r gwynt, Nerthol, Ffacwson. Dychwch y ffordd mae hwn yn cael ei chario gan y gwynt, Hyw ar peniad yn disgyn I Danny Holmes, at Wignall. Mae Chris Owens amser I fesur I groesiad I fewn i'r cwrt, y peniad am ddiffynol Mond. Yn disgyn ar ymyl y cwrt, Cosby! O mi o'na gam sefyll! O mi oedd hi'n chwip o gynnig gan Priestley Farquharson. Barri'n mynd amdani! Arbediad pwysig gan Mike Lewis. James Owen, y peniad I gefn y rwyd a Horan sydd yna. Ac ydi o, na chdi, dim di croesi'r llinell. Wel, gwaith am ddiffyn, wel, anhygoel gan y Barri. Wel, sa'ch chi tybio fod hwnna wedi croesi'r llinell, mi oedd George Horan yn ei chanol hi. Mae'n rhaid I Barri neu Owen fynd am y gol yn fan hyn. Barri yn ei gadael I Owen. Peniad syth at y golwr. Ac ai dyna'r cyfle I Ryan Wignall. Mae'r dynion mawr I gyd I fyny o'r cefn Barri. Dyma hi at yr ochr bella. Arbediad rhagorol. A mae yna ydy hi, mae gefn y rhwyd. Ac o'r diwedd, mae Cei Connah wedi canfod cefn y rhwyd. Ond cic yn y danedd go iawn i'r Barri. Cummings ar tafliad. Horan ar cliriad a Declan Poole. Wan to mae hi'n 3 yn erbyn 1 Poole. Os all Wignall amseru'r rediad yn iawn, mi all o gael yr ail y fan hyn I Cei Connah. Dyma Wignall. Mae'n disgyn I Declan Poole. Poole! Sicrhau y triffwynt i'r tîm cartra. Da ni wedi chwarae 94 o funudau bellach. A 2 gol hwyr yn greulon ar yr ymwelwyr.
You know, we just kept, I said, keep asking the question of them. Just keep knocking on the door, and if it's meant to be, it'll be. And it was, and it's the right result, although it's harsh on Barri, because they've been brave and they've stuck to it continually throughout the half. But, you know, like I say, I don't think they got into the attacking third once in the second half. We were that dominant.
Emotions are frustration, hurt, disappointment, but then the other side of it is just immense pride. You know, if you look at our squad at the moment, we've got 22 men in our squad, and today we come with 12 fit senior players. And I'm just really pleased and proud of the lads that, you know, those types of conditions are really difficult to play in. And we've probably had to deal with, I guess, around 30 types of set piece today, be it a long throw, be it a corner, be it whatever. And I think that we've dealt with 29 really well. So that's the game, no victim. Just really proud of the boys, and the hurt we feel at the moment will help us become a better team.
Following TNS's result last night, the gap's down to a point again.
Which is good. It's good. It's healthy for the league. It's what you want. It's what It's what the people of Wales who follow the Welsh League will want. Some sort of competition. Because I've said it many times. If there's no competition, there's no interest. Nobody's interested. If it's not tight. If somebody keeps running away with it every year. You know, I've said it many times. It's like a heavyweight boxer dropping down to the middleweight. If he just comes in there and starts beating everybody up, nobody's going to show any interest in that whatsoever. Really important that we keep them honest, we keep it tight, and we keep asking questions. And you know, because Barri and Bala are the really, you know, and ourselves and TNS are the 4 strong teams at the minute who are pushing on and look like we're the ones who are going to be asking most questions in the second half.